So, how do Forex traders make money? How much do they make? Why doesn't everyone trade Forex? And why did I mention institutional scam in my title? All of these questions will be answered by the end of this video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video because it will really help out my ego, my channel. So guys, how do Forex traders make money? How do they trade in a market? What is it all about? Well, essentially what most traders will do, any good trader that has a plan and a bit of structure, they will have done something called backtesting. Now, backtesting is testing prehistorical data, playing with patterns and see what plays out more often than not in your favor. Whether that is buying or selling a specific currency, you can test all different types of currencies. So, backtesting is testing historical data to find your edge. Your edge is, it could be 60-40, it could be 70-30, which means 70% of the time those patterns play out in this direction that you buy in or this direction that you sell in. And that essentially is how they trade to make their money. Now, but how much money can you make trading Forex? Well, Forex is a percentages game. So what that means is if you had, I don't know, £100,000 to trade with and you could make 10% a month, which is very good. If you could make 10% a month on £100,000, your first month you'd have £110,000. The second month, 10% on that is now £11,000. So you make more money each month. So you can't really say how much does a Forex trader make in monetary terms, but you can in percentages, as it is a percentages game. So depends how much money you have, essentially. So why doesn't everyone trade Forex? Well, it's not as simple as it sounds, just getting a strategy, doing back testing and having the cash or even getting funded. It's more about psychology and psychological problems that people will have trading. When you place a trade, you have to let it run to your profit target, whatever that may be, a 1% or a 5% gain, and you have to cut your losses at 1%, maybe 2%. Now, some people cannot take a loss, so they'll let their losses run and incur massive losses on their account, and vice versa. Some people cannot let their profits run far enough, they get excited, and they take their money out of the market. This is very beginner level type thinking. And that's why the beginners probably can't make so much money, because they let their losses run and they don't take their profits. They don't have a strong enough mindset. There is much more involved psychology wise, which I couldn't really go over it. There is missed trades. If you miss a trade, you're then angry. You're trying to force another trade on the market and it's not complying with your plan, so you're going to lose money. There's lots of this sort of stuff. It is probably half the reason why traders make money. The other half is institutional scams. What do I mean by that? Institutional scam. Well, think about it. If most traders make no money, most traders lose money, and what is the education for most traders? Oh, it's online. Oh, brokers. Oh, YouTube. Oh, people selling courses. Well, if you had such a good system, then why would you be selling a course? Why would you need to sell a course if you're making so much money trading? It's because you're not making money trading, you're making money off courses, aren't you? So, if you had a good strategy, wouldn't you give it away? Because trading's a win and lose game. If you win, someone else has to lose. So there's no way I'm going to tell you my exact strategy to trade, because you're negating my edge that I have in the market. If you guys would like to know, not my strategy, but how Forex works and more in depth of how to trade and how to backtest and how Forex traders can make money and how you can possibly make a full-time income off of Forex, please watch my other video, which is probably not out yet. So if you just subscribe to my channel, you will see my next videos when they come out. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. I'm so crazy, crazy. Let's have a disco. Disco, 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 disco. Oh, oh, disco, disco. Can I change the colours on this? Cold. It's awesome. White. How many minutes is this? 4 minutes. The typical trader will make no money, 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 no money, no money, no money, no money. You got no money, you're not making no money. You a skint. You was a skint little bitch. You a skint bitch. Okay, I'm done. Done, 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 done.